Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete an expense from your group on the Splitwise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the groups button down below. Tap on the group itself, click on settle up or balances, and here you can see the expenses added. If you want to get rid of any of these, slide to the left side and tap on the delete button. Click on OK if you are sure that you want to delete this expense. This will remove this expense for all people involved, not just you. If you are sure, click on OK and it will be removed from this group. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.